Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off read receipts on TikTok. If you want more control over your privacy on TikTok and if you don't want others to see when you've read their messages, then this video is for you. First of all, open up the TikTok app on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner or the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, from your profile page, tap on the three horizontal buttons at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, go ahead and tap on Privacy. Under Privacy, scroll down and tap on Messaging. Now, toggle off the button right next to Read Status. Once you turn off the switch, other users will no longer see if you've read their messages and you won't be able to see theirs either. And that's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts on TikTok in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.